Digital AI can generate thousands of lines of complex code in seconds, but moving from software to physical hardware reveals a massive gap in speed. In the aerospace industry, requesting a jet engine with just 10% more thrust triggers a decade of drafting, thermal testing, and retooling. This slowness stems from a conceptual gap. Large language models are trained almost entirely on text. They can describe a rocket, but they possess zero intuition for gravity, heat, or how materials degrade under pressure. Accelerating heavy industry requires a new architecture, one mathematically grounded in the laws of physics. In November 2025, Jeff Bezos took his first operational role since leaving Amazon, co-founding the AI startup Prometheus, alongside scientist 𝗣𝗿𝗄𝗆. The venture is backed by a $12 billion Series B round, valuing the company at $41 billion before it has even released a public product. Prometheus is developing an artificial general engineer, software built to handle the cognitive and intellectual side of heavy manufacturing. The goal is to automate the engineering verification process entirely, leaving the manual labor of the factory floor for another day. To build this engineer, Prometheus relies on world models. These are neural networks that process multimodal sensory data to build interactive, three-dimensional representations of physical space. Through the acquisition of general agents, the startup integrated a video-language action architecture, making these models interactive. This layer allows the AI to perceive spatial inputs and directly manipulate digital CAD software, adjusting machinery settings just like a human engineer. Engineering teams can use these tools to simulate and validate complex designs in software, verifying a component's integrity before a single piece of metal is ever cut. High-fidelity industrial data is the lifeblood of these simulations, but legacy companies rarely share their proprietary testing metrics. To bypass this, Bezos is reportedly raising a separate $100 billion fund to acquire legacy semiconductor, automotive, and aerospace firms. These acquisitions would turn legacy factories into proprietary data farms, feeding live metrics back into Prometheus's models to generate optimized blueprints in real time. By owning the firms that produce the data, Bezos is building an insurmountable moat in these industrial sectors, bypassing software licensing to vertically integrate the design to production pipeline. This strategy targets the dream build loop, the time between an initial concept and a finished product. Prometheus aims to compress 10-year development cycles into months. Bezos' rocket company, Blue Origin, serves as the ultimate case study for this technology. Spaceflight leaves zero room for error. Following a Blue Origin rocket explosion in May 2026, the need for software that predicts hardware failure before ignition has become a top priority. Prometheus acts as a safety and acceleration layer for Bezos' industrial empire, identifying flaws in code before they manifest on the launch pad. Bezos' return to operational leadership follows Elon Musk's ascent as the world's first trillionaire. SpaceX's historic $75 billion IPO reset the valuation baselines for the entire AI and tech sector. Musk currently dominates physical hardware, but Bezos is attempting to capture the intellectual side of the market, the design and data workflows. The artificial intelligence race has shifted to the physical realm. The ultimate victor will be the one who owns the design-to-production pipeline for the global industrial economy.
𝗕𝗲𝗄𝗏. Knowledge is one of the best investments you can make, and continuous learning keeps you sharp. Subscribe to 𝗕𝗲𝗄𝗏 on YouTube.